How to install TR Walkway and or TR Corner Stab to use for practicing trick stabs. Step 1, you can download the map files from the first 2 links in the description. In both cases, scroll down until you see this manual download button, then click this download button. In the case of Corner Stab, there are 2 versions. Go for the one ending in RC3C. The one for Walkway should be a .rar file, and the one for Corner Stab should be a .zip. If you have no way of opening these files, you'll need software to open them. In the case of Windows, WinRAR is a good free option. As for other systems, you'll need to look that up. Once inside the zip or RAR file respectively, you'll need to look for a file ending in .bsp. That's the map file itself. Drag that BSP file out into somewhere you can easily find it, like your desktop. Don't worry if it doesn't disappear from the zip or RAR folder, it usually just makes a copy. Now, go into your Steam library and right-click on TF2, go Manage, then Browse Local Files. You'll find yourself here. Go into the TF folder, then in the Maps folder, and you should see a bunch of BSP files, which as you can guess are the other maps. Drag in those BSP files from before into this folder. Once they're in, launch TF2. Once in the main menu, if you haven't enabled the developer console already, go into Settings, Keyboard, Advanced, then tick Enable Developer Console. Close out the Settings menu, then press the tilde key, which should be the one right under your escape key. If done correctly, this should open the console. Just to check, start typing map space tr underscore, and if by this point you can see the names of the maps show up in autocomplete, then you've done everything right so far. However, don't launch the map just yet. Instead, backspace everything and type the following command: sv underscore allow underscore point underscore server command space always. You can find it in the description if you need to copy paste. Essentially, this gives permission to non-official maps to run commands from your console, which both these maps need to function correctly. This resets every time you close down the game, so every time you restart, you'll need to put this command in again. And don't worry, you don't need to do it right away upon every restart from now on, only if you intend to use one of these maps and have restarted your game since. Anyway, after doing that, type the map command in again, and use the autocomplete to quickly select the one you want, and run the command. The game will freeze for a bit as it loads. Once loaded in, join the red team, pick whatever class, and you're done. If you did everything correctly, the game should spawn a bunch of bots on the blue team for you to practice on. Both maps have a bunch of buttons you can press to enable different options. Have fun,